crazy art this time, so yeah. Excuse me! Oh, don't take over! Get out of here! What are you doing being living on me, huh? Who is he? I didn't know you were here. I don't know who he is. That's Paul. Who's Paul? I don't know. Sounds like a Frenchman. Yeah, he is. Jeez, what is all this garbage? Well, I was gonna do the 3-color challenge with him, but I guess I can do it with you. Colors? What is that like? You get 3 colors. You close your eyes and you pick 3 colors. You have to mix it together. Mix slime or slime. That's ridiculously stupid. Okay, well, you don't have to do the video if you don't want to. No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So today we're gonna be doing the 3-color challenge with my grandma. No, you introduce me. I don't introduce myself. Today I'm gonna be doing the 3-color challenge with my grandma, BUURDA. You already know who it is. Yeah. Hit me up, boys. This is my, oh my god. This is my grandma, BUURDA. She's super awesome and super pretty, and she's single, yes? I'm single and ready to mingle like a Pringle. She's single and ready to mingle. Like a Pringle. Which, okay. And I just come to do this challenge with grandma BUURDA. So yeah. Guys, we're gonna be having another meet and greet, and it's gonna be August 11th from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. at Arizona Mills Mall. Huh? A president? Everybody. Obama? No. Oh. You gonna be there? I want to meet President Obama. Oh. Okay. Well. Are you gonna be at the meet and greet? No. Why? I got stuff to do. Like what? Stuff. Things that grandmas do. You mean like? I'm a normal grandma, I swear. Like knitting? Oh my god! Just do your video. Well, you could do it, Grandma. You want to do it? Yeah, you gotta try to press the like button with your belly. Just like, like that. Okay, well, let's get straight on into the video. Yo. You gotta say yo, Grandma. No, I don't. Okay. Oh, yeah, so let's just do rock, paper, scissors really quick. Rock, paper, scissors. I'm doing it in my head. Shoot. I got rock. I guess I win. Okay, so the winner gets to decide who goes first, who goes, you know. First. Okay. What do I do? So you pick first. Okay. All right. So you're gonna close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes. And then I'm gonna mix these, and you're gonna pick 3 of these. Okay. So can you just close your eyes, Grandma? I'll give you. Whatever. I'll give you some chicken tenders. I don't like chicken tenders. Okay. You can choose 3 now, Grandma. Okay. No, you're not supposed to open your eyes, Grandma. I won't. Grandma, no. I won't. You're supposed. No, you're supposed. Stop. You're stop. Come on. I'll give you $20. Do you want me to kick? Close your eyes. Okay, now pick 3. Grandma, you don't know how to count. Yeah, I know. I'm picking my colors. All right, I got my colors. Oh, wow, I got all the colors I wanted. Oh, that's the colors you wanted? Yeah. Well, I mean, that's not going to make a very nice color. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, my turn. Now you have to shuffle them, and I'm going to pick 3, okay? Okay. Alright, pick your 3! I predict that this one is green. What? How did you do that? That's so cool! Do it again! I predict that this one is red. Oh no, you messed that one up. This one is yellow. Oh, I thought it was pink actually, honestly. What happened? What is she doing? Nothing! Let's go! Do we move these out of the way now? Okay. We move them out of the way. What did she do? I got it! Well, did I get any right? No, you did absolutely horrific on all of them. That's what you get for being a donkey hole. But I'm still happy with the colors I got. Because they're all galaxy. It's like unicorn. Alright, let's go! I go first. Right after you, Madam. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. What do I do? Just pour it in the bowl. Oh! Kaplush! Kaplush! Come here, I have a secret for you. I despise Ameerah. Skaplush! 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 This is how it looks like when I make cereal. Baller. Let's go! What do I do now? You mix it. Okay, what do I mix it with? A fork. I'll get a fork. They're right there, Grandma. Right in front of your face. I know! Better secure those things, they're just falling left and right. Okay, thanks for the advice. Yeah. Alright, so here's mine, guys. I got pink, pink, blue, and purple, and it's gonna be super awesome. Okay, so.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the purple. I have purple. It's beautiful. Oh, it's gonna cover all the pink. And then we got blue. The blue looks so cool. Grandma, stop. I'll give you $10, please. I have $40 in debt with Grandma.
A few moments later.
Grandma, could you come back? Grandma!
What?
Are you okay?
I was just sleeping. Let's get back to work.
Okay, here's my little glue mixture. It looks so freaking cool, guys. Look at that. Let me just mix it. See how this turns out. Hey, Grandma.
Hey, mix mine.
Do you want me to do it with your fork or my fork?
No, it's your fork.
Okay. Ooh, yours looks cool. It looks like a galaxy.
Yeah, I know it does. I picked those colors myself.
What do you mean?
I picked them with my own hand. Like apples from a coconut tree.
Ooh, this is looking good, Grandma. It looks like a nice dark green.
Mm-hmm.
Just how you like it.
You know, I like mine.
Now, ooh, Grandma, yours looks fantastic.
I know it does. You don't have to tell me. Okay?
So you ready to activate?
No, but you are.
Okay.
Give me a. Where's the activator? I need the snack maker. I am really hot.
Yay. Grandma, you're so considerate.
Look at that.
That's great, Grandma.
Thank you.
You're really good at making fun.
Would you like some?
Sure. Yeah, thanks.
Can you finish making it for me?
Yeah,
Thank you.
Of course. Just leave it right there. You can go sit down. And
No, make mine first.
Okay.
I'll make yours.
Okay.
Feels good in my hands, like a banana.
And your arthritic fingers?
I don't have arthritis. I may be 238 years old, but I'm not like normal old woman.
You said you were an normal grandma.
Mm-hmm.
Like you like to knit.
Yeah, I do. I knit Kevlar for the military.
What?
Nothing.
Okay.
2 hours later.
Grandma, you can come back. I made your slime. With the help of Paul, too.
Yeah, you're welcome, Grandma.
He made my slime.
Paul touched my slime!
No, he made my slime. Okay, so we're doing our slime.
This is absolute garbage.
Let's do some ASMR.
What is this? What the? Oh! I thought you were supposed to be a slime queen, not a slime
well, you
jumbo.
put too much Tide.
Your mom put too much time.
Okay, well let's go ahead and do some ASMR. You go first, Grandma.
Yeah, no, I don't want to. You go first.
Okay. Look how beautiful.
Oh my god. Looks like Donald Trump's poop.
You seen Donald Trump's poop?
Mm-hmm.
This is really nice, guys.
He's a really good guitar player.
Okay, that's great, Grandma. Grandma!
You can't take my song now!
I'll give you $10. Just do your ASMR for $10.
I'm done!
Okay, well, round 2, guys. Let's just get started. Can you put your slime away?
It's all over the floor now. Let's go!
Okay, well, let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Alright, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I got a triangle.
What does that defeat?
Everyone.
Okay, well, I guess you can choose who gets first.
Alright, I think you'll go first.
Okay.
Alright, go.
Okay, I predict that this one is purple. Predict that this one is green. And I predict that this one is purple. Oh, mine's gonna be so pretty. Okay, I got pink.
Yeah,
I got the
whatever.
rainbow glitter one and the freaking holographic glitter one.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, well, you can go now.
Alright, I want this one, and I want this one.
Grandma, no, you're supposed to close
I want
your
this.
eyes. Give me $10 if you do it right. You got some really pretty lipstick today, Grandma.
Thank you. I found it on the street. I want this one, and this one, and this one.
I'm supposed to.
Oh, these are my favorite colors.
Let's just start.
Alright.
Earbuds. Grandma!
What? Can you do something about it?
Yes, I'm gonna call your parole officer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I go first. We can do the glue. So we're gonna do the pink glue, which looks amazing. Grandma,
Yeah?
you're supposed to show.
I don't care.
Here, let's just do it together, I guess. Okay, and then I also have this holographic, like, iridescent one. It's so freaking pretty, guys. She got the gold one, which is so cool too, and she got like red and orange and gold, and it's gonna look beautiful. Oh, look at this one. It looks like it's fading into like glitter.
What do you think you are to say what you think is gonna be beautiful? What is it?
Look, it's like fading. It's so beautiful. And then my last one, guys, is a mixture of purple, blue, yellow, and pink glitter. It looks so freaking pretty, guys. It's like a rainbow. So I'm just gonna put that in the middle. Oh my God, this is gorgeous.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mix mine.
Okay. I'll pay you $10 not to mess with my slime glue.
We'll see.
Okay, yours looks really pretty, Grandma.
Yeah, I know it is. Seriously, how many times are you gonna tell me that? Make everything so beautiful. Just look at that.
Okay, here's mine, guys.
Pizza on top of ice cream.
It looks so beautiful. It looks like Barbie lip gloss or something.
Mom looks like Barbie's lip gloss.
She does. Okay, let's go ahead and activate it. So, Grandma, could you come back, please?
Thank you.
Thank you. We're gonna activate it, by the way. Okay.
Wait, you think they don't know that?
Well-
They've watched all of your miserable videos and you think they don't know what you're gonna do when you put that water stuff in it?
There's new ones, and like maybe they might be. Grandma, I have a little challenge for you. You want to race?
What's in it for me? Go! What an idiot! And I'm done!
Wow, Grandma, you're good.
Yeah, I know I am!
I'm like only halfway done.
Uh-huh. You want me to hit you with my sack?
No. Okay, I think we're ready to do some ASMR. What do you think, Grandma?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go first.
Okay, of course.
Alright, so this is pretty much what you think to do. Yeah. Yeah, that's some good slime right there. That's a good slime.
Yeah. All right, here's my slime, guys. This is pink slime with glitter, and it's so freaking pretty. I love it so much.
Yes.
Grandma, I'll give you $50 not to do it. It's really nice, guys. I think I did over accident. I'm sorry.
I like mine a lot. It's like a bouncy ball.
Yeah, mine too.
Look at it.
Ooh, yours is nice, Grandma.
Stop.
All right, well, that's my slime. Okay, well, guys, I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you comment down below if you guys are on my team, #Team Ameerah, or on Grandma's team,
And if you don't want to get her, comment Team Grandma. You say you comment her name, you'll see me at the edge of your bed, standing there with a pickle in my hand.
Okay, well, guys, make sure to press that like button. If you want more Grandma BUURDA, comment down below for more Grandma BUURDA. And then, guys, thank you so much, and I really, really hope I see you guys next time. Bye.